In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email list into Pipedrive. We'll start by getting your file ready. Open a spreadsheet in Excel or create a CSV and set up clear column headers for the details you plan to bring into Pipedrive. At minimum, include name and email. You can also add phone and company if you have them, but those are optional. Keep one contact per row, make sure there are no blank rows, and check that email addresses are valid and in a single email column. Consistent formatting helps a lot. Use the same font format throughout, and if you see odd characters, consider saving as a CSV in UTF-8 to avoid encoding issues. When your sheet looks clean and organized, save it. Now, head into Pipedrive and go to Contacts. Then choose People. This is where your imported list will live, and it's the best place to review them after the import. Look to the top right and click the three dots, also known as More Options. From that menu, select Import Data. This opens Pipedrive's import tool, which will walk you through the process. Next, upload the file you just prepared. You can drag and drop it or use the upload button to locate it on your computer. If you're uploading an Excel workbook with multiple sheets, be sure to pick the correct sheet containing your contacts. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see the field mapping screen. Here, match each of your columns to the corresponding Pipedrive fields. For example, map name to person name, email to email, phone to phone, and company to organization. If you have extra columns, you can either map them to existing fields or leave them unmapped if they're not needed. Check the sample values shown for each column to confirm you're mapping the right data to the right place. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the data preview carefully. Look for missing emails, mismatched columns, or typos. If something doesn't look right, it's better to go back to your spreadsheet, correct it there, and re-upload so your database stays clean and accurate. When everything looks good, start the import by clicking Import. Pipedrive will process the file and create the contacts for you. Depending on the size of your list, this may take a moment. When the import completes, your email list will appear under Contacts in the People section. You should now see your newly added contacts ready for use in your sales workflows, emails, and follow-ups. That's it. You've successfully imported your email list into Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.